Hey, it's Alex Saenger with Keller Capital Properties, and I wanted to thank you for being a part of our referral network in the past year. Your support of our business means so much to me and the rest of my team. 2018 was filled with opportunities, new projects, lessons learned, and tons of things that we can't wait to implement and leverage in 2019. I kicked off the year by having a meaningful conversation about lead gen with myself.
Hello, Alex. Alex, hello. Do you understand the importance of lead gen? Yes, I do. No, you don't. No, I don't.
We sold out our third annual agent-to-agent networking event at Family Reunion with over 200 agents in attendance. We launched our campaign for probate properties, and we started using the Matterport 3D technology to create virtual reality tours of all of our high-end listings. Created my Raving Fans Incentive Program, started my Millionaire Real Estate Investor Seminar Series that'll continue into 2019.
We discussed buying homes, discussed flipping, your money, capital gains. We talked a little bit of everything. You answered questions. It was a great class, great seminar.
Lost my marketing assistant, Derek.
Hey, Alex, it's time to do your lead gen.
But that's okay, he's making a lot more money now. Hired a new marketing assistant that lasted only 1 week. Not gonna do that again. Led the nature unit at my daughter's Girl Scout camp, Camp Tuckerman.
You caught one!
Had my videographer make some calls as an inside sales associate. That didn't work. Added a new buyer's agent to the team.
I'm gonna grab this from Michael. Michael, say hi.
Hey.
Hi, I'm Michael Janis, and I'm Alex's seasoned buyer agent and showing assistant.
Took my family to England. Had a super slow August.
It was quiet. A little too quiet.
But made the best of it. Coached my daughter's rec volleyball team, and now I'm assistant coach for her club team. On Halloween, I signed a buyer contract with, well, let's say a rather unusual client.
You want to put an offer on that property? Now.
We transformed the Real Agent Advice video series and blog into a book, coming out in 2019. Got everything lined up to launch our new seminar series in 2019. First Tuesday of the month is our Millionaire Real Estate Investor Seminar. Second Tuesday of the month is our Buyer Seminar. Third Tuesday of the month is Becoming a Millionaire Real Estate Agent. And fourth Tuesday of every month is Getting Your Home Ready for the Market. And we showed, listed, and sold some amazing properties. But what matters most is that we were able to connect with people like you, our clients and other realtor friends who sent us tons of referrals and helped us grow our business. In 2019, our goal is to do 50 transactions, and we need your help. So if you know anyone thinking about buying or selling real estate in 2019, we'd love to help them. And remember, we're never too busy for your referrals.